Okay, Friday, December 18th, and we tore down the wall between the countries, Brazil and Canada. Okay, so we finished this corner here. Still got to do this window, but if you remember what it looked like just a few short weeks ago, we're getting better every day.
Something in a post-haste craze going on today. Something in a post-haste craze going on today.
Smell your hands, huh? Hard at work still, late Friday, almost 7. Hired some extra help to get that sand up on top of the hill so we can run with the concrete next week. Honey Stone. Pra encima.
Like a fire stepping in a post-haste craze going on today. Hopping like a fire.
Well, it's been a long day at Honeystone. Still continues. We're just shoring up everything. Paint's gonna look great. Be finished in a couple days.
It's going on today. Hopping like a fire starter, harder than a man can take. Coming like a freak show, more than a man can take.